Now, in this video, we will going to discuss how to draw the projections of points in the fourth quadrant by using the SolidEdge software. So first we'll go to the SolidEdge screen, and this is the SolidEdge screen. Here you just click on the right click of the sheet 1 and then go to sheet setup and take it as A4 and say show background. I don't want this background, and you say OK. So automatically you will go to get a rectangular blocks. Then once you go to this, then go to view and then go to fit, then go to zoom, then you just come down to zoom area and then you take this. Now we go to home and click on this text, and here you select the name of the font. I will going to take as Times New Roman and take the height as 4 and then press enter. Then you type draw all the 3 views. So you just go to point, select some point, and you type the problem number 4. Draw all the 3 views of a point. Draw all the 3 views of a point capital P. P lying 60 mm below HP and 70 mm in front of VP and 20 mm in front of VP and 40 mm from RPP. Then draw its project. Also state the quadrant in which it lies. Also state the quadrant in which it lies. Now once you do that, by default you will going to have only the name. You just go to this and click on this and go to properties and then go to paragraph, or indent and spacing. Line spacing should be 1.5, so that you are going to have between the lines it will be 1.5. Then you just come down to this, and first you draw the xy and x1 y1 line, xy and x1 y1 of 0.13, and all other lines of the projector lines, it will be 0.05. So to do that, you just come down to fit, go to view and click on fit. So now first we go for sketching, click on line. First you set the line height. By default it will be always 0.5. to make it 0.05 because those are all the projector lines. So you just click on endpoint and switch off the point on element. You have intersection and then click on this. Only 3 should be there. If you don't get this option in the solid, if you are using the, I am using the higher end of the SolidEdge version, and if you are using the lower end version, so then you will not have this particular display, which will be called as the IntelliSketch. So you just go to view and click on IntelliSketch there and enable and disable the requirement. Always you remember that endpoint and intersection will go on together, and then you have this horizontal or vertical. So if you want to do that, go to line and you just take 0.05, yes, then draw a horizontal line of any distance. Then you just click enter. Again I want to draw a vertical line. You just select some point and then draw a vertical line. Then we need to identify the planes now. What is the plane? VP, HP and RPP. So to do that, so go to home, click on this text annotation. So you just come down to this, you mark it as VP and then you place it HP in bracket, okay, and here you type RPP. Then once you do that, then go to sketching. So go to view, go to zoom area, you take this and then go to sketch, then go to move, switch off the copy mode. You just click on this and again you take this and you take this here. So once you move all the 3, then go to view and click on fit. Now first we need to draw a parallel line to this existing line. So to do that, so go to command offset, take the distance as 40 mm. You just select this line and offset on this side, and again you take 70 mm. That is you will going to get 70 mm below XY line and also 60 mm below XY line. So then go to you are already in the offset command and type 60. So that is below HP is 60. So you get below HP is 60. You select this and accept by clicking on the right button of your mouse, and again you take the cursor down, click on the first button of the mouse. Do you want to continue? Don't want? Cancel. Similarly, you want to have this 60 mm. So that is from here to here, it should be 60. So to do that, then go to offset, take the distance as 60 mm. So you select below HP, yes, then you take 70 mm because it is in front of VP. You just select this and take it in front of VP. Then go to trim corner between these two and trim corner between these two. Then go to trim this line. Now once you do that, then you just draw from the origin point so that it will go to pass of the top view, which is the top view now. The point 2 is in front of VP. So you to do that, you take that line, go to line, since the horizontal plane is below XY line and adjacent to RPP. You take the intersection of this and take 200 mm. The angle is minus 45. So once you do that, you will go and get the extension. Then go to split this line somewhere here. Then just go to select and click on this and remove it. Then go to line and draw a line from intersection part of this and draw a perpendicular line. Then go to trim corner between these two and between these two. Once you do that, then go to sketching, click on point. Now you take the point of this and you take point of this and take the point of this. Then go to select, you select between these two. Then you just go to point now. You just go to point and enable those points. You just click on one point and now you keep that point here, and also you want to keep this point here. Then you just go to home, select between these two and make it 2 mm now. And similarly, you just select this and you make it 2 mm. So once you do that, you will going to get the drawing here. Now he says point P, so just go to home, click on annotation and you mark this as P dash, and you mark this as P, and you mark this as P double dash. Then go to sketch, click on move and you take this here. Similarly, P is here, you take that, and P double dash is here. Then you just go to home, click on dimension styles, and then you just go to dimension in ISO just click on modify and go to text, click on Times New Roman, then take the font size as 4, then lines and coordinates. I want the dimension line width as 0.1 because you should write thin dimension line. And text is over, then go to secondary text, then linear dimension, you make it mm and the round of value as 1. Then you come down to units, linear, so you make it 1, and then angular degrees round off to 1. Then general, you come down to these blacks and then black, and say OK and say apply. Now once you go to this sketching and come down to dimension, that is distance between, you take the endpoint is enabled here, so it takes the endpoint of this and the endpoint of this and take the distance as 60. Again go to endpoint of this distance between this line and you make it 70. Again you take the another command distance between, and you take the end point of this, and you take this as 40 mm. Then again it move, then this P will comes out this, then P double dash is here. Then you need to type the text here. You just go to home, click on annotation, you type capital X and capital Y and capital X1 and here capital Y1. Then go to fit, go to view, click on fit, then zoom area, then go to sketch, click on move, you take this and keep it here. Similarly, X1 is here and Y1 is here, and all these things which I am moving is only by using the move command. You can see here, if I just click on move, click for the point to move from. Where is that? I would just click some arbitrary point and take it inside like this. And where you have the front view, on that line you will going to get the side view. Now I need to give the angular length or angular dimension. So all the drawings, all the lines which are being drawn, and then go to sketch, you select these two lines and you make sure that it will go to be 0.13. We are not doing in the beginning itself. That is basically because once you do that, if you try to offset this, the offsetted line will also have the dimension of the line width of 0.13. So in order to avoid that, first you will going to complete all the drawings by taking the line width of 0.05. And once you complete your drawing, and you just say take those two entities which you want to change and you change it to the 0.13. So now we need to write the leaders. So you just go to leader, click on sketch, come down to point on element. So you drag this and keep it. Similarly, you drag this and keep it. Then you keep this. So once you do that, so now this is how you will be able to solve the problem by using the Solid Edge software. Then go to view, click on fetch. So this is the final solution, which is exactly similar to the one which you have been given here for your explanation. So then what I need to do, I need to write the point P lies in the fourth quadrant. So to do that, go to sketch, home, click on annotation. So here you write point P, capital P lies in fourth quadrant. So and then use yes, right click. So this is how you will be able to draw the solution on the projections of points using the fourth quadrant by using the Solid Edge software. Thank you.